only got one used one, put it in the car, fix the car. And this is our problem. Most of the tools we have won't interrogate a PIN number over the OBD2 port because it's not on CAN bus, it's on PCI bus. It's not able to spill its guts. But with a CAN bus module, because it's bidirectional communication and the protocol set out, you can actually send a command to the module to tell me everything you know about yourself, and actually pull almost a whole PIN file, a ton of information out of that module. On a SCIM module over PCI bus, it's a totally different.
The roundtable is mostly to try and help those who can't afford to go to our events like this. And hopefully we can have more events like this roll across all the country, in all various areas where there are auto care systems.